Hello, I'm Danny Valdez, and I'm the owner of Specialty Fitness. We're a company based in Los Angeles, and we provide fitness products for the commercial and retail market. I heavily emphasize relationships, developing and fostering relationships with personal trainers in the area, personal trainers / nutritionists like my friend here, Robert Reams. Robert, why don't you give us a little bit of your background?
I've had the opportunity to do a lot of different media out there. This is my 8th season as the trainer nutritionist on Dr. Phil. Various shows like Extra, The Doctors, Extreme Makeover, a lot of different shows. And what I want to put out there to everybody is that, number one, both from an industry perspective and from your clients out there, these people need to know out there, the people that come into the stores and look at the products, they need to know that a healthy, fit lifestyle is very, very possible. And it's right at their fingertips. And what True Fitness Equipment has been able to do is give a quality piece of equipment that is not only going to be reliable throughout years and years and years, but the biomechanics of these pieces of equipment are very, very strong. I'm going to give you an example. The elliptical trainers, which have just come out, a number of my clients are very happy with these units. Number one, they've shortened the foot space of these ellipticals. Over the years, the ellipticals have been really long, and there's been a lot of extraneous length that really has nothing to do with the exercise. So what they've done is shorten the footprint on them and then made them even more variable for more users. Specifically, the stride length adjustment. And there's something on most of the pieces called an auto stride, which actually goes with the stride of the user automatically depending on the resistance level that the user has. So the equipment offers itself to many different levels of fitness and many different heights of users, because you can have somebody that gets on there that's 5 foot tall, and the next minute in the club somebody may be 6'5". These pieces of equipment adjust themselves to the different levels. And then number three, what I love about the True ellipticals as well is that they have padded the foot pedal. So now you've taken a low impact, really safe, effective exercise and taken it to a whole new level of low impact, made it safer and open to many more users than even before. The bikes are very smooth. These pieces of equipment, you can't even hear them when you're using them. So in a home environment, this is great because, you know, mom can be busy on the bike in one room while baby's sleeping in another room, and this is huge in the home market. The treadmills have always been fantastic. They're adjustable, flex for different users. Some folks like more flex than others. Again, smooth, quiet, efficient, and effective. So overall, True Fitness Equipment, I think, is really taken home and commercial equipment to a whole new level, and I look forward to seeing more from True in the future.